In this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to write a blog. Scroll down. Under the section Customize your store, click on Write a blog. Now, if you do not know how to write a blog or article, you can order an article here. You can add the title of the blog here. And you can write the blog content here. You can use these features to edit the content text. If you click here, then you will have more options. I will explain these sections on the right later in the video. Let's say this is my blog. If you want to see what this looks like on your website, you can click on Preview. As you see, this is the blog title. And this is the blog's content. Let's say I make a change to the blog content. As you see, this is what the change looks like. In the Text tab, you can also use these features to edit the blog's content. These features are the same as the features in the Visual tab. This is just the coding. This is the Visual tab. Now, on the right side, in the Publish section, you can click on Save Draft if you wish to edit this blog later. You can change the status of the blog. To do that, click on Edit. Select the status, then click on OK. This is the SEO rating. If the rating is high, then that means that the search engine will show your blog as a top result because of certain keywords. In my case, the SEO is low because I did not write much. If you want to delete the blog, you can click Move to Trash. If you are done writing your blog, you can click on Publish. In the Categories section, you can see all categories, or you can see the most used categories. You can also add a new category. Click on Add a new category. Then type the category name. And click on Add new category. As you see, the category has been added. You can view all your categories here, or in this drop-down list. In the Tags section, you can add tags. If you want to add more than one tag, then add a comma. For example, I want to add 2 tags. Click on Add. As you see, the tags has been added. Now, you can click here to see the most used tags. In my case, there are none, because I have not used any tags before. And then finally, you can set a featured image. The featured image will appear above your blog, not in the content of your blog. If you want to add an image to the content of your blog, you can do that too. I'll show you that later in the video. So, click on Set Featured Image. Up here, you can choose where you want to find an image from. You can upload a file from your device. You can choose from the media library. Or, you can choose an instant image. In this case, I will be using the media library. There are many folders that you can browse from. You can also browse the folders here. Now, let's say I want to set this as my featured image. You can edit the image. You can use these features to edit the image to your liking. You can choose to delete this image from your media library. You can set an alt text. This is the text that appears when a user hovers over the image. You can describe the purpose of the image if you want to add an alt text. You can configure the title, caption, and description. You can set a link. If you set a link, then when the user clicks on the image, they will be taken to the link. You can also set where the link opens. You can choose to have it opened in the same window, or in a new tab. You can choose to exclude this image from sitemap. Then, once you're done configuring these settings, click on Set Featured Image. Now, it has been added. Click on Preview to see what it looks like. As you see, it appears above the blog. If you want to add an image to the blog content, then add the image from here. In Add Media, it has the same features as before. But in this one, you can add a gallery and playlists. In this case, I will be selecting an image from Search an Image and Insert. You can access this either here or using this button here. Let's say I want to use this image. On this page, you can choose to edit the image. If you choose Edit, you will be brought to the edit page as seen before. You can configure all these settings, but by default, it is already set for you. You can add a link here. You can choose if the link opens in the same window or in a new tab. Then, if you want to insert the image, click on Insert. If you want to delete the image, click on Delete. You can also save this image. Then it will be saved to your media library. You can view all your images from Instant Images. If you want to use an image, click on Show. You can also see the images down here. Then, click on Insert this post. As you see, the image has been added to the blog content. And this is what it looks like on my website page. If you hover over the image, you can change the alignment, or you can edit it. That's all you need to know. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for future tutorial videos.